Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Mega Menu widget. This powerful feature helps you categorize and showcase products in a clean, organized way, making it easier for shoppers to navigate your store and find exactly what they need. A well-structured Mega Menu can improve your store's design, enhance user experience, and ultimately boost conversions. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Mega Menu widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Header, then select Mega Menu. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Professional Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Header, Mega Menu. Here you can customize all the settings. Next, click on Header and choose Desktop Settings. Desktop menu. Type. Choose how your menu displays on desktop. Drop down. Mega Menu. Drawer. You can add tab, click to add block and select Mega Menu. Inside each block you can customize. Enable full width. Toggle to enable or disable full width display for the Mega Menu across the entire screen width. Color schemes. Match the section to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. Link name. Enter the display name for the Mega Menu link. Auto position. Automatically positions Mega Menu link. Disabling reveals manual link position control option. Link position. Visible only when auto position is off. Numeric position, 1 to 10, to place Mega Menu in navigation order. Show menu headers. Toggle to display or hide menu header titles within the Mega Menu dropdown. Menu. Select which navigation menu to use for the Mega Menu. Heading. Enter the heading text that appears above the product slider. Heading link. Paste a link or search for a destination where the heading should link to. Collection. Select the product collection to display in the slider. Click Select to choose from your store's collections. Products per row. Set how many products display per row in the slider. Total products count. Define the total number of products to show in the slider. Loop. Toggle to enable continuous looping. When enabled, the slider will continue from the last slide to the first slide seamlessly. Show arrows. Toggle to display navigation arrows for manual slide control. Show dots. Toggle to display dot indicators showing the current slide position. Auto rotate. Toggle to enable automatic slide rotation without user interaction. Rotation speed. Set the speed in seconds for automatic slide transitions. Full width slider. Toggle to make the image slider span the full width of the Mega Menu. Show arrows. Toggle to display navigation arrows for the image slider. Show dots. Toggle to display dot indicators for the image slider. Loop. Toggle to enable continuous looping from the last slide to the first slide. Auto rotate. Toggle to enable automatic image rotation. Rotation speed. Set the speed in seconds for automatic image transitions. Image 1 to image 6. Upload or select images for the slider. Image link 1 to image link 6. Paste a link or search for a destination for each corresponding image. We can add products as well. Click to add block and select products. Here we have multiple setting options. Color schemes. Match the section to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. Link name. Enter the display name for the product's link. Auto position. Automatically positions the link in the navigation menu. Turn off to manually set link position. Show header. Enable to show the header or disable to hide it. Heading. Enter the display title for the product section. Collection. Select the collection you want to pull products from. Products to show. Choose 4 to 5 products to display. We can add collections as well. Click to Add Block and select Collections. Here we have multiple setting options. Color schemes. Match the section to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. Content inside image. Enable this option to display the product count and a Show More button inside the collection image. Link name. Enter the display name for the collection's link. Auto position. Automatically positions the link in the navigation menu. Turn off to manually set link position. Show header. Enable to show the header or disable to hide it. Image ratio. Defines the shape or aspect ratio of your product images. Inherit. From Inherit, we have Consistent across site. 16:9. Ideal for wide rectangular images, often used in banners. 3:2. Balanced rectangular ratio, great for most product images. 4:3. Slightly taller ratio, suitable for close-up product shots. 1:1. Perfect square crop, common for product grids or thumbnails. 3:4. Taller layout, best for vertical or portrait-style images. 2:3. Classic portrait ratio, provides a tall and elegant look. Circle. Crops images into a circular frame for a unique, modern display. Number of columns desktop. Select the number of columns to display on desktop. Heading. Enter the display title for the blog section. Collections 1 to 9. Select up to 9 collections to display in the block. We can add blog posts as well. Click to Add Block and select Blog. Here we have multiple setting options. Color schemes. Match the section to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. Link name. Enter the display name for the blog post's link. Auto position. Automatically positions the link in the navigation menu. Turn off to manually set link position. Show header. Enable to show the header or disable to hide it. Heading. Enter the display title for the blog section. Blog. Select the blog you want to display posts from. You can add tab, click to Add Block and select HTML. Inside each block, you can customize. Color schemes. Match the section to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. Link name. Enter the display name for the HTML link. Auto position. Automatically positions the link in the navigation menu. Turn off to manually control link position. Heading. Enter the title for this HTML block. HTML code. Add your custom HTML code here to insert custom widgets, banners, text, or embedded content. And that's it. Your Mega Menu widget is now fully set up. By customizing this widget, you'll enhance your store's navigation, improve shopper experience, and create a clean and organized layout that helps boost conversions. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.